in my way to be free. Like a fish on a hole, like a knife from an old-fashioned book. I have saved all my ribbons for thee. And if I have been unkind, I hope that you will just let it go by. Let it all go by. And if I have been untrue, I hope you know it was never